Hello and welcome to our channel from cryptowichard. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that is revolutionizing the world of blockchain technology. We'll be diving into the fascinating realm of ImmutableX, IMX, and exploring how it's shaping the future of scalability. Before we delve into the revolutionary solution that ImmutableX offers, let's take a closer look at the challenges that have plagued the blockchain industry for years. Scalability, or the ability of a blockchain network to handle a large number of transactions efficiently, has been a persistent concern. As cryptocurrencies gained popularity and more users flocked to decentralized applications, DApps, the limitations of existing blockchain networks became increasingly apparent. The scalability issue manifests in the form of high fees and slow transaction times. On popular blockchain networks like Ethereum, the surge in demand has resulted in congested networks and skyrocketing gas fees, making transactions costly and inaccessible for many users. This not only hampers the usability of DApps but also inhibits mass adoption of blockchain technology. The lack of scalability restricts the potential applications of blockchain technology. For instance, in the gaming industry, where real-time transactions and interactions are crucial, slow transaction speeds and high fees create significant hurdles for developers and players alike. Similarly, the booming market of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, has been constrained by the limitations of blockchain scalability, preventing widespread adoption and inhibiting the growth of NFT marketplaces. But fear not, because ImmutableX has emerged as a powerful solution to these scalability challenges. By leveraging Layer 2 technology and building upon the security and decentralization of the Ethereum network, ImmutableX provides a game-changing scaling solution that overcomes the limitations of traditional blockchain systems. Through innovative techniques such as zero-knowledge proofs and ZK rollups, ImmutableX achieves exceptional scalability, enabling thousands of transactions per second. This breakthrough scalability comes without compromising the security or decentralization that has made blockchain technology so promising. ImmutableX introduces a groundbreaking feature: instant and gas-free transactions. By compressing multiple transactions into a single proof, ImmutableX eliminates the need for users to pay exorbitant gas fees, making blockchain transactions more affordable and accessible to a broader user base. The impact of ImmutableX extends across various industries. In gaming, it empowers developers to create immersive and scalable experiences, allowing players to enjoy seamless gameplay and trade rare in-game assets without the burden of high fees or slow transaction times. In the world of NFTs, ImmutableX facilitates cost-effective trading, minting, and showcasing of unique digital assets, revolutionizing the NFT marketplace. Moreover, ImmutableX enhances the scalability of decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, making them more efficient, affordable, and inclusive. With ImmutableX as the scaling solution of choice, the blockchain industry can overcome its scalability challenges and unlock the full potential of blockchain technology. As we explore the exciting possibilities and applications of ImmutableX throughout this video, you'll witness how it is reshaping the landscape of blockchain, paving the way for widespread adoption and ushering in a new era of decentralized innovation. What is ImmutableX? ImmutableX, developed by the pioneering team at Immutable, stands as a groundbreaking Layer 2 scaling solution specifically built on the Ethereum network. With a laser focus on addressing the scalability challenge, ImmutableX introduces a host of innovative features that propel the potential of decentralized applications, DApps, to new heights. One of the standout features of ImmutableX is its ability to provide instant and gas-free transactions. By utilizing a technique called ZK rollups, which leverages zero-knowledge proofs, ImmutableX aggregates multiple transactions into a single proof, compressing them and significantly reducing the associated gas fees. This breakthrough feature empowers developers and users alike, as it removes the financial barriers and frustrations often encountered in traditional blockchain transactions. With instant and gas-free transactions, users can engage with DApps seamlessly, enabling a smoother and more accessible experience. ImmutableX operates as a Layer 2 solution, meaning it builds upon the existing Ethereum network and its security features. This compatibility ensures that the integrity and decentralization of the Ethereum mainnet remain intact while unlocking the scalability potential of ImmutableX. Developers can seamlessly port their Ethereum dApps to ImmutableX with minimal effort, thereby expanding the reach and capabilities of their applications without sacrificing the security and trustworthiness associated with the Ethereum network. By mitigating the scalability challenges that have hindered blockchain adoption, ImmutableX unlocks the full potential of dApps. Developers can now create complex and feature-rich applications without being restricted by high fees or slow transaction times. Additionally, users can engage with these applications more freely, with the assurance of a seamless and cost-effective experience. The impact of ImmutableX extends beyond its technical achievements. By providing a solution that enhances the scalability of dApps, ImmutableX is fostering a thriving ecosystem of innovation. It encourages developers to push the boundaries of what is possible in the decentralized realm, facilitating the creation of advanced gaming experiences, scalable NFT marketplaces, and more efficient decentralized finance applications. ImmutableX is a game-changing Layer 2 scaling solution built on Ethereum. By enabling instant and gas-free transactions, it unlocks the full potential of decentralized applications, empowering developers to create innovative experiences and users to engage seamlessly with blockchain technology. With ImmutableX at the forefront, the scalability challenges that once hindered mass adoption are now overcome, paving the way for a future where decentralized applications can thrive and transform industries across the board. Benefits of ImmutableX. ImmutableX truly stands out from other Layer 2 solutions due to several key benefits that set it apart. Let's dive deeper into these differentiating factors. Scalability. ImmutableX harnesses the power of zero-knowledge proofs and leverages Ethereum's robust security to achieve exceptional scalability. By employing ZK rollups, ImmutableX can process thousands of transactions per second, ensuring efficient and rapid transaction throughput. This scalability breakthrough allows decentralized applications to handle a significantly higher volume of transactions, paving the way for mainstream adoption and mass usage of blockchain technology. Importantly, ImmutableX achieves this scalability while maintaining the decentralized and secure nature of the Ethereum mainnet, instilling trust and reliability in its operations. Instant and gas-free transactions. One of the most appealing aspects of ImmutableX is its ability to provide instant and gas-free transactions. Through the implementation of ZK rollups, ImmutableX can bundle multiple transactions into a single proof, significantly reducing the gas fees associated with each individual transaction. As a result, users can enjoy lightning-fast transactions without the worry of high fees. This breakthrough makes blockchain technology more accessible to users with varying budgets, eliminating a major barrier to entry and enhancing the overall user experience. Ethereum compatibility. ImmutableX shines in its seamless compatibility with Ethereum, the world's leading blockchain platform. Developers can easily migrate their existing Ethereum dApps to ImmutableX with minimal effort. This compatibility expands the scope and potential of the vast Ethereum ecosystem, allowing developers to tap into the scalability benefits of ImmutableX while retaining the familiarity and advantages of the Ethereum network. This interoperability ensures that developers can leverage existing Ethereum infrastructure, tools, and community support, making the transition to ImmutableX a smooth and efficient process. The combination of scalability, instant and gas-free transactions, and Ethereum compatibility positions ImmutableX as a highly attractive solution for developers and users alike. By offering unparalleled scalability, a superior transaction experience, and seamless integration with the Ethereum ecosystem, ImmutableX unlocks new possibilities for innovation and growth in the blockchain space. As a result, ImmutableX is poised to play a significant role in shaping the future of decentralized applications and driving the widespread adoption of blockchain technology. Real-world use cases. ImmutableX has sparked significant interest and adoption in various real-world use cases, revolutionizing industries and enhancing their scalability. Let's delve into some exciting applications where ImmutableX is making waves. Gaming. ImmutableX has gained notable traction in the gaming industry, offering developers a scalable and immersive platform for creating gaming experiences. Traditional blockchain networks often suffer from slow transaction times and high fees, limiting the potential of gaming dApps. By leveraging ImmutableX, developers can overcome these challenges and provide players with seamless gameplay, real-time interactions, and the ability to trade and collect rare digital assets. Games like Gods Unchained have already migrated to ImmutableX, enabling players to experience a truly decentralized and scalable gaming environment. NFT marketplaces, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, have become a global phenomenon, transforming the art, collectibles, and digital asset industries. However, high gas fees on the Ethereum network have impeded the growth of NFT marketplaces. ImmutableX addresses this issue by offering a cost-effective platform for trading, minting, and showcasing NFTs. By providing instant and gas-free transactions, ImmutableX enhances the accessibility and affordability of NFTs, enabling a broader range of artists, creators, and collectors to participate in the ecosystem. Notably, major NFT marketplaces like OpenSea have integrated ImmutableX, allowing users to seamlessly engage in NFT trading and ownership. DeFi, decentralized finance, DeFi, has disrupted traditional financial systems, enabling individuals to access financial services without intermediaries. However, scalability has been a challenge for DeFi applications, with high gas fees limiting user participation. ImmutableX addresses this challenge by facilitating gas-free transactions within the DeFi ecosystem. By leveraging ImmutableX's scalability and instant transaction capabilities, DeFi applications can provide users with a seamless and cost-effective experience. This enhanced scalability not only lowers the barriers to entry for DeFi users but also attracts a wider audience to participate in decentralized lending, borrowing, and other financial activities. These real-world applications demonstrate how ImmutableX is transforming industries and overcoming scalability challenges. By providing a scalable and cost-effective infrastructure, ImmutableX empowers developers to create immersive gaming experiences, enhances accessibility and affordability in the NFT marketplaces, and improves the scalability of DeFi applications. With ImmutableX driving innovation and adoption, we can anticipate a future where blockchain technology becomes even more integral to our daily lives. Closing segment. ImmutableX's game-changing nature is undeniable as it addresses the long-standing scalability challenges that have hindered widespread adoption of blockchain technology. By providing fast and cost-effective transactions, ImmutableX is revolutionizing the way blockchain operates, making it more accessible and appealing to users and developers alike. The ability of ImmutableX to process transactions at a rapid pace, achieving thousands of transactions per second, opens up new possibilities for scalability. This scalability breakthrough enables blockchain applications to handle increased user demand, making them more efficient and reliable. With the elimination of high gas fees and slow transaction times, ImmutableX enhances the user experience, making blockchain technology more appealing to a broader audience. The seamless compatibility of ImmutableX with Ethereum is another key advantage. By building upon the Ethereum network, ImmutableX taps into the existing infrastructure, tools, and community support, creating a seamless transition for developers and users. This compatibility ensures that developers can leverage their existing Ethereum dApps and smart contracts, expanding their reach and capabilities without starting from scratch. Furthermore, the interoperability between ImmutableX and Ethereum fosters a vibrant ecosystem, encouraging collaboration and innovation within the blockchain community. ImmutableX's impact extends across multiple industries, from gaming to NFT marketplaces to DeFi applications. By providing scalable and cost-effective solutions, ImmutableX empowers developers to create immersive gaming experiences, revolutionizes the way NFTs are traded and showcased, and enhances the accessibility and efficiency of decentralized financial services. This wide-ranging application of ImmutableX demonstrates its versatility and ability to cater to the evolving needs of various sectors. As ImmutableX continues to gain traction and adoption, it serves as a catalyst for widespread blockchain adoption. By addressing scalability issues head-on and providing a user-friendly experience, ImmutableX paves the way for individuals and businesses to embrace blockchain technology and explore its transformative potential. With ImmutableX leading the charge, the vision of a decentralized and inclusive future powered by blockchain becomes increasingly achievable. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more trading videos and hit the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content.